Cruising on a budget. Tips to travel in style without breaking the bank. Welcome to the All Aboard Life channel. Traveling doesn't have to be expensive, yet it may be. You've come to the correct channel if you're seeking for inexpensive ways to travel the globe. You can watch this video for advice on how to cruise on a tight budget and still have a good time without having to worry about going over your spending limit. This video will show you how to travel in luxury without going over budget, from finding cheap tickets to packing efficiently. So let's begin. Please subscribe to this channel and like this video if you want to receive future updates from us. Choose your ship wisely. The appropriate ship selection is one of the most crucial considerations you'll need to make while organizing the ideal mega holiday. It might be difficult to select the ideal vessel because there are so many different sizes, designs, and amenities. Here are some pointers to assist you in making the best choice. First, think about how many individuals will be traveling with you. This will aid in determining the features you should consider and the size of ship you need. Do you want something luxurious and spacious, or something smaller and more intimate? Look at photos and compare features to find a ship that is the right size and style for your group. Next, consider the type of experience you're looking for. Are you wanting something with high-end amenities and modern technology, or do you prefer something more basic? Think about the activities you plan to enjoy during your trip, and make sure the ship you choose offers all of the necessary amenities and facilities. Finally, be sure to compare pricing between different companies. Although a high price doesn't always guarantee quality, it is important to take costs into account when making your decision. Make sure you're getting a good value for the money you're spending. With these tips in mind, you should be able to find the perfect ship for your dream vacation. Make sure to do your research and compare all of your options before making your final decision. Be flexible with your travel dates. Traveling on a budget doesn't mean you have to give up the luxury of cruising. One way to save money on your cruise is to be flexible with your travel dates. Consider traveling during the off-season, when there are fewer people on board and prices are lower. Some cruise lines also offer special last-minute discounts for unsold cabins. Keep an eye out for these special deals and take advantage of them if they fit into your schedule. Additionally, you can check out cruises with different itineraries that have similar destinations. This can help you compare prices and find the best deal for your budget. You may even find a cheaper cruise with a longer duration that stops at the same ports as a more expensive one. By being flexible with your travel dates, you can save money and still enjoy the same great cruise experience without breaking the bank. Travel during the off-season. Cruising is an amazing way to explore the world without breaking the bank. But if you want to get the best deals on your cruise, it's important to plan accordingly and travel during the off-season. The off-season usually runs from late fall until mid-spring. During this time, cruise lines tend to offer more promotions and discounts because fewer people are booking cruises. This means that if you're flexible with your travel dates, you can find some great deals. Many cruise lines offer promotional rates for destinations such as Alaska and Hawaii during the off-season. These rates are typically much lower than those offered during peak season, and you can save hundreds of dollars. Also, by traveling during the off-season, you'll have a better chance of getting a cabin upgrade or free onboard credits to spend on spa treatments, shore excursions, or other extras. Plus, many cruise lines will offer complimentary amenities such as free drinks or onboard credits if you took a cruise during the off-season. Additionally, if you're looking to travel with your family, the off-season is a great time to go cruising as there will be fewer crowds on board the ship and in port. This can make it easier for your family to enjoy their vacation without feeling overwhelmed. So, if you want to save money while still having an amazing cruise experience, consider booking your trip during the off-season. It's a great way to get the best deals while still having a wonderful vacation. Book excursions ahead of time. Cruise ship excursions can be a great way to explore new places and experience the sights and sounds of new destinations. But they can also be a huge expense. If you're looking to save money on your cruise, one of the best ways to do so is to book your excursions ahead of time. Researching and booking your excursions in advance will help you get the best deal and save you money. Shopping around online can give you an idea of the cost of excursions in different ports of call, so you can plan accordingly and budget wisely. It's important to remember that many excursion companies offer discounts for pre-booking. Additionally, it's a good idea to book your excursions as soon as possible because spots can fill up quickly. Another great tip for booking excursions ahead of time is to look for bundle deals. Many companies offer packages that include multiple excursions for one discounted price. This is an ideal way to make sure that you get the most out of your cruise without spending too much money. Finally, when you are booking your excursions, be sure to ask questions and read reviews to ensure that the company offers a safe and enjoyable experience. This will help ensure that you have a wonderful vacation and get the most out of your cruise. That's all for today's video. I hope you liked it. What did you think of our video? Subscribe for more content like this and hit the like button and share. Also, leave a comment if you have a topic you want us to cover. Till next time, take care.